Hey guys, wagwan, welcome to Country Kitchen, where we show you guys how to make authentic Jamaican recipes as we explore other countries' recipes as well. Thank you for clicking on my video. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Over here we have amazing recipe coming for you guys, so stay tuned. This is my channel trailer to let you guys know what this channel is all about. So guys, just go ahead and hit that red subscribe button, hit the thumbs up button as well, and when you subscribe, don't forget to hit that little bell beside the subscribe button. That way you can be notified whenever we upload each week. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.